I cannot tell you guys how obsessed I am with this wig. Here's the look. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2025 or 25. I am so excited for this new year. We are going to be filming. I'm going to be filming more often, and I'm excited to share with you guys this brand new wig. I'm going to show you guys all the details. We're going to unbox it together. It is from Wigshe. I am very excited to be partnering up with them. We are going to be unboxing this wig together. You guys will see all that it comes with, and I will have a discount code as well for you guys, so check down below the description box. You will find it there. I'll tell you how excited I am about this hair. It looks gorgeous on me. I styled it too, and I think it looks great. I'll be going on a dinner with my husband. We're gonna be going to this really nice restaurant. Let me show you what comes in this box. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm getting ready right now. That's why I look like this. I only have my makeup done. I wanted to show you guys, like I said, a true unboxing of my brand new wig so that you guys can see how the wig looks. So here we have, ta-da, my brand new wig. It is so pretty, the packaging, the box. It feels so luxurious. I decided to wear wigs because honestly my hair is so short. I've been bleaching it for so long that I think it's up to here right now, and I honestly do not like it. I prefer wigs because they make me feel prettier with the long hair and everything. Wearing wigs makes me feel more confident, more sexy, and it just completes the look. Whenever I get ready and I have a really nice outfit and my makeup done and I put on my wig, I feel unstoppable. That's the power of wigs, honestly. And if you have a lot of hair, I mean, you probably cannot relate to wearing wigs, but I mean, you can still wear them. You can just do a bun and all. And it's just not in my genes to have luscious hair, and I accepted that. So for that reason, wigs is definitely something that I think it's gonna be a part of me for the rest of my life. I will give my hair a break, let it grow, and then I'll style my own hair. But as for right now, it's too short. But it's really, really short. Actually, I don't know if I can do it right now because I already kind of like put it up. I just wanted to share a little reason why I wear wigs. But here we have the wig, and we're gonna open it together. Super pretty, look at that. A silky bag. We have some confetti. We also have a little thank you card and a headband that you can use with your wig. I love this because it has the little lace front right here, so you won't be able to see it. So that's perfect. The moment that we all been waiting for. I am so excited. I've been having it for quite a while, and I'm like, I'm ready to share with everyone. So here we have my beautiful wig. Oh my goodness, this is the perfect color. Human hair. Check this out. Oh, it is so pretty. Lace front. You guys can see. The quality of the hair is just, wow, so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Let me show you guys the inside. This is how the inside looks. Here we have a few clips. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and then you can adjust it down here to make it tighter. Just wait until I put it on and I put my outfit. I'm excited. Actually, let's put it on together right now. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and style it and cut the front lace, but I will show you guys the final look. Okay, so here we have the band. I have a few bands, but this is nice because it's velvet and it will keep it in place. So like this, and you place it right here in the middle, and then make it tight, just like that. You can cut it too, since it's a little extra. I'm actually gonna cut it. Let's cut that part, this much. So let's give it another try. There you go. Make sure you tuck in all the hair so that nothing is floating around. That looks really good. I like the clips that comes with. I really like this clips because look, the wig is going nowhere. Legit nowhere. So that's perfect. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Of course, we're gonna have to cut this off. Cut it down. But the hair is gorgeous. So pretty. Oh my goodness. What a transformation. Honestly, I don't feel like I have to do much to style this wig because I feel like it already has the curls. But I can definitely make it even better by using the hot comb on this area. Also, oh here, I definitely have to cut it from the front. This is how it looks. Wow, I love it. Check it out. Okay, I changed so that you guys can see this better. I feel so beautiful with this hair. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to style it. But oh, wow. This wig is top notch. Honestly, quality. You can see it, you can feel it. My husband just saw me, he's like, ooh, dang. He really liked it. He thought it was really pretty. So I cannot tell you guys how much I love this wig. I'm gonna cut the front lace. Just give me a second. I wanna first style it on the top and then I'll cut it. And then I'll clip it down and everything else. But wow, I am obsessed. Probably one of my favorite now, if not my favorite wig. Wow, I am excited. I'm so excited. Okay, well let's go. I'm gonna go fix it and I'll be right back. I am gonna be using a hot comb for this area just to make it more flat and nicer because it has like a little, like a lump. So we just wanna make sure it doesn't have that. It's perfect. Look at that. And then I'll post it on Instagram as well. So if you follow me there, you will see me unbox it. I'm gonna do a quick little video right now for Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I miss you all so much. I'm excited to be creating content again and to be sharing with you guys really good finds that I have. You all know I love me some fashion. I love me some home decor, but I also do want to sit down and chit chat with you guys. We have a lot to talk about. It's been a while since I uploaded, but I'm still here. I miss the community here on YouTube that I once had. I want to build it back up because I feel like this is where I feel the happiest at. Even though I tried on Instagram, Instagram is not for me. Even though I like it, I don't think it is. So I think I'm moving my butt back to YouTube. You know what you think about this hair? Is it a yay or a nay? To me, it's 1000% yes. My overall thoughts on this wig is honestly 15 out of 10. It is that good. The hair fibers are so soft, so beautiful, so bouncy. It looks so natural too. The length, it is 22 inches long and the density is 150. Lace front, I cut the lace by myself, as you guys saw. Well, you guys didn't really see, but I cut it by myself and I think it looks great. I feel so sexy with long hair and just with a full set of hair. It just, my confidence goes sky high. I love it and I cannot recommend wigs enough to everyone. I got my mom into wigs. I told some of my friends and they bought a few, but they're so fun. Especially human hair. I feel like human hair wigs is an investment. It's something that you're gonna have for a long time. And it's just, it feels luxurious. Like it feels so nice when you put on a really nice wig that is human hair. The quality, you can feel the quality. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the wig? Do you like it? Would you like to see a wig haul? Because I have tons of wigs, guys. Synthetic and human hair as well. So I can show you guys my human hair and on a separate video maybe my synthetics. Definitely check out Wigshe. You will not regret it. I'll link their Instagram down below as well as the discount code that I have for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys come back and hang out with me again. I think we're back. Let's get it together this year. I am going to try to be committed so that I can post more often and just hang out with you guys, because I do love hanging out with you guys and just everything. YouTube brought me so many opportunities when I was doing it full time, and it was so much fun. So I want that again, because honestly Instagram doesn't like me. Even though I love sharing little reels and stuff, I don't think Instagram likes me that much. But it's okay. I'm gonna come back here and we're gonna hang out. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the hair. But I'll see you all later. Kisses. Bye.